Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep, literally, into a fascinating article from Ars Technica. Life is thriving in the subsurface depths of Earth. It's mind-blowing.
I'm already hooked. What's the main takeaway? Is it just microbes, or is there something more spectacular?
Well, the core finding is that subsurface microbial life is incredibly diverse, rivaling even the most vibrant surface ecosystems like rainforests and coral reefs. It's a complete paradigm shift from what we previously thought about subsurface habitats.
Wow, so we're talking about vast, unseen ecosystems down there? How did they even discover this?
Exactly. A global study led by Emil Ruff meticulously collected samples from all over the world, from mines, boreholes, deep-sea sediments, you name it. They used DNA sequencing to analyze the microbial communities, comparing surface and subsurface environments, both marine and terrestrial. It was a massive undertaking, almost a decade in the making.
A decade? That's dedication. And what kind of life are we talking about? Just bacteria?
Primarily bacteria and archaea. They found some really interesting species. For example, Euryarchaeota, which thrive in extreme heat and produce methane. Methane that's already being used as fuel. Then there's Asgararchaeota, which are closely related to eukaryotes. That's us. It's incredible.
Incredible indeed. And what about the terrestrial subsurface? What did they find there?
In terrestrial environments, Nitrosporota were particularly common. Some oxidize ammonia, others reduce it to nitrite, important for phytoplankton and even human health. And proteobacteria were abundant, both terrestrially and in the marine subsurface. Some of these even oxidize carbon monoxide, helping mitigate climate change.
So these microbes are not just diverse, they're also potentially beneficial. Is there anything unexpected in the findings?
Yes. The total diversity actually increased with depth in many cases, which was surprising because energy availability decreases with depth. This suggests these organisms have adapted to incredibly low energy environments.
That's astonishing. How do they survive with so little energy?
Ruff hypothesizes that some microbes in even deeper, unexplored areas might have incredibly slow metabolisms, dividing only once every few decades, or even centuries. It's a completely different timescale of life.
That's mind-boggling. And what about the implications for other planets?
Exactly. The article suggests that understanding this deep Earth life could be a key to searching for life on Mars. If microbes can survive with such limited resources here, similar life forms might exist on Mars, even beneath its surface. It opens up a whole new frontier in astrobiology.
Absolutely. This research is incredibly exciting and opens up so many avenues for future research. Thanks for summarizing this fascinating article.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this deep dive into the subsurface world as captivating as we did. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.